Thank you for your valuable time and interest in Trimble Business Center. TBC can be used for multiple applications for construction and for survey. The secret to Business Center for certain workflows is to customize your ribbons and your layers. This has been customized for a site takeoff application with takeoff ribbons and takeoff layers. The workflow would include first importing a CAD file or a PDF file. Here we'll import an AutoCAD file. All the data comes in on the engineering layers. Business Center gives you the tools and data prep features to standardize the layers to put the existing on the existing and the design on the design, and then to turn the 2D data into 3D data so you have two elevated surfaces. Here we'll go through the process of also tying together a PDF file. So we've now georeferenced a PDF file to our CAD data. Then we'll go through and again elevate our data and standardize it, the two sets of layers. We'll elevate and put in our existing data. Once we've got that, we would then do our design data. And then we would put in our material and site improvements. The material and site improvements allow us to push down for subgrade information. Here we could add a building pad with 12 inches of concrete and 12 inches of base, giving us 24 inches deep for our earthwork, but also 12 and 12 of materials associated with a job site. So we would put in our existing, our design, our materials and site improvements. Once these are in, we would build our surfaces for our takeoff. You would see a 3D view and you could see the finished design associated with this project. You would see the surface that is created. You can also see the material and site improvement to where subgrades have been adjusted with color codes. So you can see blue for ponds and aggregate and asphalt. Once the information is done, we would generate a cut fill map and also add our cut fill text. Finishing up the project. This could be completed by generating our earthwork summary report where we could customize our settings and information we would like to generate our final quantities, showing our cuts and our fills, showing details, how much cut and fill per area of our job site, along with the final materials associated with the project. This is a quick overview of TBC for site takeoff. It can even go more in depth later with advanced features such as turning on a mapping in the background showing where your job is in relation to the real world. Thank you again for a quick overview of TBC for site takeoff.